Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I got Toyota Vitz. This is imported model, but locally similar setup for the Toyota Yaris. But however, someone enter from the back. You can see this one bent, bumper in, bit damage, and this door won't close. I'm not sure what happened. However, after that, battery fully dead because something not right in the wiring, or sometime could be what happened, the the boot can't close. Because of that, sometime might be some lights could be on, this light could be on, that's why battery died. However, first step, jack up the car and remove the bumper, then after that we can see what happened exactly. But visually I can see this edge, you can see this edge all bent in, basically this one, because of the effect it's still in, that's why there could be problem. But however, at the moment I couldn't say anything. I can see this bracket here bit in, this side nice and straight. Yeah, however, first thing first, need to take out the bumper. Once I take out the bumper, I'll come back to you. Yeah, I already remove all bits and pieces, most plastic clips and two nut for the one here and one that side. Right now, hopefully we can remove the bumper. Right, and need to disconnect the wire harness for the reverse light. That one also all broken, but not bad actually. Yeah, need to fix little bit. Yeah, okay, you can see this is the place it's hit all in. I can't see any wire damage. Right, you can see here this side bit dent. Yeah, sometime we can using chisel or something and we can take out little bit this edge. Yeah, now we'll see what happened to the door. Now we can see actually what happened there. I can see slightly it's door that side and that inside hinge slightly bent to the this side. Okay, we'll take as much can out first, and after that we'll see if it's possible to align the lock before we start anything. This side okay, it's not bad, just little bit hammer up this one. Yeah, okay, then let's start. Right, we make it straight as much we can. Now we can close the door without any problem. Right, after that we done the small amendment for here for the number plate light bulb. It's broken, we done. Now we are going to reinstall the bumper, everything, nuts and bolts. Then after that we need to do secure this area with the clips, metal clips. Then after that I'll come back to you. So thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, comment section open for you. Thank you. See you in the next video.